Alright, what's up YouTube? So we're back again today. We have another Linux unit that is down. This unit actually isn't running right now, and I just wanted to show you the reason why. So we have a cracked bracket, pretty significant. So this entire bracket needs to be, the motor mount bracket needs to be replaced. If you come over here and you try to spin, the blower, you can't. It won't spin. And the reason for that, if you look here in the back, you can see, look at that blower wheel back there. Absolutely demolished, destroyed. You can actually see pieces of the blade.